My name is Brandon Meggs with Brunswick Bowling. I'm a Senior Director of Capital Equipment. Brunswick is a worldwide leader in bowling equipment. We sell products on a global basis, and we sell into cinemas and hotels, resorts, family entertainment centers, and residences. The company's been around for 125 years. It's evolved from traditional league-focused bowling into one that's really geared towards entertainment. And as you talk about entertainment, the need for bowling and what bowling is has changed over the years. The sport's gone through a number of changes over the years, and as Brunswick is a leader in the industry, we've really spent a lot of time talking about how to fit the needs of today's consumers. Today's consumers have a lot of entertainment options available to them, that whether it's at home playing video games or going to the cinema or just simply going out to eat. And we've had to evolve our products to help lead the industry and as it's adjusting to appeal to those types of consumers. We're at IAAPA 2018 and we're delighted to have our Epicenter product. It's a short lane. Normal lanes are 60 feet in length. What we have here today is 45 feet. We can go even shorter. And what the real advantage to investors is they can put bowling into spaces that traditionally couldn't fit bowling into that, and which gives them additional revenue generating opportunities. The lanes also feature our string pin, which is our string pin setter. It's really geared towards those centers that provide that casual bowling experience that don't need a mechanic and want to be able to operate it as quickly, easily, and simply as possible. One of the latest and greatest technologies that we have is our sync scoring system. It's really an innovative product that integrates the bowling lane and some new experiences that tie into mobile phones. We have apps. They have relevant games that are geared towards today's consumers. It's exciting times to be at Brunswick. We're really excited about the roadmap we have ahead of us. We continue to innovate both in the industry and work with partners, customers, and clients as we start talking about what bowling and entertainment is in the future.